Okay, find your seat wherever you're able to sit comfortably right now. Remember to keep your back supported and your spine straight. And begin with your eyes open this time. We're going to explore the senses. So spend time working with each of your 5 senses. Beginning with your eyes, notice what you can see in the room. Observe the forms which are revealed by your vision. Colors, shapes, textures, everything in your visual field. Do not focus on anything specific, just allow your eyes to relax. Expand your visual field, including your peripheral vision. Now you're hearing. What can you hear in your immediate surroundings? Notice the sound of your breathing and the sounds in the space in which you find yourself. Notice also sounds that are further away, outside of the room you're in, outside of the building and the street. Spend a few moments hearing everything that you can hear. And also notice you can't stop hearing. Sounds just arise spontaneously. Now, notice your sense of smell. Are there any scents around you? And if there is no discernible smell, see if you can smell odorlessness, cleanliness. Now move your awareness to your sense of taste. You may not have eaten anything or drank anything recently, so just focus on the sensations of your tongue as it rests in your mouth. Perhaps there are some residual tastes from a previous meal, or simply taste your saliva. And finally, moving on to the sense of touch. It is not needed to touch anything. Your entire skin surface is blessed with the sensation of touch. So you can feel your skin and your body as it touches. As it touches the surface that you're sitting on. As the clothes touch your skin. See if you can pick up or detect any subtle air movements in the room you're in. as the air moves over your skin. Now close your eyes and continue seeing. You'll notice that there is still a visual field even with eyes closed. It is not completely dark. There are fluctuations of light and dark. Some images are after images. Now for the rest of the practice, I want you to imagine each of your 5 senses as a color. 5 separate colors. So everything you see is one color. Everything you hear has a different color. And everything you're touching, that sensation of touch, has its own color. See all the senses as colors. Bright colors. The whole world is actually nothing but colors, made up of the senses. And notice these colors move within your body. For instance, the color of sound reaches your ears. But where does it go from there? Where does it move to within your body? The sensation of the touch of the skin and the color of that. It doesn't stay with the skin. Where does it move to? Move these senses, these colors, and move within yourself and feel these colors within you. And see all of the 5 colors converge within you at a certain meeting point. That meeting point is your center. And your center is around your navel. So see all of these colors, all of the colors in the world, entering you and converging on your center at your navel. Find that point at your center where the colors converge and concentrate fully on that point. And when you start concentrating fully on that point, do not think anymore about the colors. Think only about that meeting point within you at your center. Okay. Relax your practice. Relax your awareness. This was another technique which allows you to find your center. So this one is very good for visual people. And if you're not a very visual person, you may not have resonated with this practice. And that's okay. You may prefer some of the other practices to find your center. But if you are a visual person, this one is really good. Hope you enjoyed the practice. Take a moment and thank yourself again for sitting and doing it. And I wish you a bright and joyful and colorful day ahead.